The typing machine, commonly known as a typewriter, was a mechanical or electromechanical device used for writing characters similar to those produced by a printer's movable type. Invented in the 19th century, typewriters became essential tools for offices, writers, and journalists until computers replaced them in the late 20th century. Key points: Invention: the first practical typewriter was invented by Christopher Latham Sholes in 1868 and later marketed by Remington in 1873. Mechanism: each key was connected to a metal arm with a letter, which would strike an inked ribbon to leave an imprint on paper. Layout: the QWERTY keyboard layout, developed in the early models, is still used on modern keyboards. Manual versus electric. Manual typewriters required physical force to press keys. Electric typewriters, introduced in the mid-20th century, used powered mechanisms to reduce typing effort.